welcome back to Kitty Toy Review. Today we will be playing with sharks and fishes toys, and we will be showing you slime and slime cutters, and they will be playing with it. Here are your toys. Look, I give you the toy, and then he said, "How do you say? And I'm gonna eat you." And then you say, "Ah, don't eat me," and you run away, okay? How do you say? I'm a bat. Don't eat me. What is this, Huddy? Shark. What color is it? Blue. Where? What is your toy? Fish. What color is it? Orange. And? Yellow. Well done, Brian Huddy. No, I want chocolate. Huddy, then you say, I'm an angry shark. And then you say, let me swim away, okay? I'm shark. Let me swim away. Huggy, does it have a tail? Yeah. Look under it. Is there a switch on it? Push it. And now it will swim. It could swim side to side. Huggy, what color does the shark have? Blue. What color is his teeth? White. What color is his eyes? Black. And? I was white. Good boy. Blair, what color is your fish? Orange. And yellow. What color is your eyes? Black and white. Good. We buy them. Where did you buy them from? Okay. What does your fish do? Swim. Let's see your fishy swim. I will not swim. Just turn it around harder and it will swim. Do you want another color? Yes. Now do rock, paper, scissors, and let's see who will do it. Rock, paper, Oh no, both of you got it again. Now do it again.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No, you got scissors, both of you. Now do it and one. Do it one more time.
Paper, because I did paper and you did a cut to me, so you have to do paper. Abby did a rock.
Do rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No, you got scissors.
You have to do paper. Oh, paper. Rock, paper, scissors. Again, honey, paper. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, Zoya, how do you? Now you can pick another one. Now how do you pick another one? Pick only one color to play. What color is that?
Orange.
No.
Blue.
No.
Yellow.
Zoya, what color is yours?
Purple.
Purple. Is it shiny?
Yeah.
What are you gonna make with it?
Spaghetti.
Okay, Hadi, what are you making?
Pizza.
Is that your chicken?
No, I'm making pizza with sweet corn.
Okay. Let's see how you make your sweet corns. When you're done, Hadi, say done, and let's see who will finish first.
I don't know how to count.
Yeah. The winner will get a chocolate egg that's really yummy and tasty that has M&Ms inside.
Oh, I love them.
So the winner will get them.
So if me and Hadi win, if me and Hadi do it all, that means that me and Hadi's the winner.
Yeah, if you both do it really nice, you'll both get one. If Hadi does it nice, Hadi will get one.
Then
And if you do it nice, you get
If I
one.
do it not nice, I will not get it. If Hadi do it nice, Hadi will get 10. And if I do nice,
yeah.
I will do it.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Now do you want another color, Zoya?
Yeah.
Now do rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I'm just gonna rock, paper, scissors. That should be good. Rock, paper, scissors.
Zoya, Hadi broke you because Hadi had a rock. So Hadi break Zoya. Now Hadi, you choose your color first. Now Zoya, you choose your color. What color did you have, Hadi?
Green.
Good. Zoya, what color do you have?
Orange.
What things have orange color?
Toys.
Toys have orange color?
And the
Does fruits have orange color?
Yes.
Which one? Orange has orange color? Yeah, it's funny because orange has an orange color. Hadi, Zoya, good. Hadi, Zoya, good. Because you know which colors and you played fair.
Then,
Now, what, Hadi, have you finished your pizza? Yes?
no, I'm nearly done.
Okay.
I just have to do all of them.
It doesn't matter, Hadi. We'll do it after.
Yeah, and the rainbow. I'm putting mine back. I'm putting mine back. Then I mix them.
Hadi, did you mix your slime? Are you done with your pizza?
I'm putting it back.
No, you don't need to. You can play with it. Are you done? You done? You done?
This is hip hop.
Okay. Hadi, are you done? Hadi, Zoya, are you gonna mix your pizza now?
Yeah, I mixed my pizza up.
Okay. So, are your pizzas ready?
Yes.
Now let's show everybody how your lovely, delicious pizza looks like.
This is my sandwich.
What color is your sandwich?
Orange.
No.
Green.
Good. Zoya, what color is yours?
Pink.
Wow, look inside. It looks like a glass mirror. How many different colors have you made?
The V.
Now, what colors did you put inside the slime?
I put purple and ash. Peach.
Orange, purple, and pink. Hadi, what color did you put in yours?
Green.
And
Yellow.
and
Blue.
now, Hadi, Zoya. It was brilliant, okay? And then I give you your chocolate egg.
Where's done? Oh, done.
I'll say it. Well done, Hadi and Zoya. Will you like to put your slime back in the box and I'll give you a prize?
Yeah.
Now let's put your slime in goodly. The fastest. Let's see who will do it fast.
You have to do more.
You have to fit all of them. Don't get them mixed up, okay? Put them in. What is this called? Hadi, Zoya, what are you doing?
I'm putting the back.
Yeah, but what is it called?
Tidy up. Tidy up.
Do you know the tidy up song?
Yeah.
Say it.
Tidy up. Tidy up. Done.
Let's clean this room up. Let's tidy up.
I'm done.
Now fill your... Okay, good.
Oh. Whoa.
Okay, put it back in.
Yes,
Hadi, can you sing the tidy up song?
tidy up.
Who wants to sing it with me?
Tidy up.
Tidy up. Tidy up. Let's clean this room up. Let's tidy up. And clean the tables. Let's tidy up.
Tidy up.
Now, would you like to put your slime on the side?
Yeah.
Put your slime on the side, please. Now, well done, Hadi and Zoya. Now you will get your prize. And show everybody how it looks. One is red and one is yellow. Now, would you like to open it and eat it? Would you like to take it out and show everybody how the chocolate egg looks? Show everybody. Oh wow, Zoya. Let's look inside. Harry, what M&M do you have inside yours? Let's see your colors.
The white and green.
Okay. Is it yummy? It's your prize because you were really good. Is it yummy? Is it yummy in your tummy? Is it sweet? Will you like to say bye to everybody now?
Bye.
Say bye, we're eating please.
Bye bye. We eating, please.
Come and subscribe to our video.
Come subscribe to our video.
And write comments down below.
Comments down below.
Bye everybody.
Bye everybody.
Have a good day.
Have a good